Guys, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel. Today you will see what we ate in our Air India flight from Toronto to New Delhi. So usually you get 3-4 different meals because it's a long haul flight. So there was salad in the first meal, followed with main course which included chicken and pasta, and then dessert cookie. But because I'm a vegetarian, I ordered specialty meal. I ordered veg Asian meal, and I'll show you what exactly I got. So if you're comfortable eating whatever the plane serves, awesome. If not, you can choose your own meals. They have few different options. You can also order gluten-free food these days. And let's see what I got. So for the first meal here, I got some fruit. There was always bread with butter, rice, and this is like a saag. It's like a green leafy curry. And this is my co-passenger's meal, which had a little bit of chicken. For the second meal, I got bread, which was kind of like dry. You can see that. I was supposed to eat it with a pickle, but I couldn't really because it didn't taste really good. I had rice, which was alright. Tomato dish, like tomato chutney, some beans, some salad, more fruit, a little bit of a herbs dressing, which was overall not bad. So rice, bread in first meal, in the second meal was typical. And then I also got carrot, halwa and quinoa in one of the other meals with a little bit of a bean curry again. The quinoa was not good at all, so I couldn't eat it. Another thing that we ate just before boarding was a wrap from Toronto airport, and I tell you, it's overpriced. It tasted great, but if you can, don't buy anything at the airport. Toronto airport is so expensive. But overall, the meal was alright, and that's what we ate in the plane.